Hi guys, it's JuJu. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am taking you along for the installation of these Bohemian Goddess box braids. I used 2 packs of the At a Glance Formation braid in here, 20-inch, and 1 pack of Expression braid in here because I wanted to mix the textures. For products to moisturize my hair, I use Cream of Nature Strength and Shine Leave-In Conditioner, their Creamy Oil Moisturizing Lotion, and Ice Hair Polisher Pomade. I made each braid about this size, some slightly smaller, others slightly larger, and my braiding technique was the 3-strand approach, separating the hair into 2 pieces and folding one over the other to create 3 legs. To give my natural hair extra moisture, I use the Creamy Oil Moisturizer on each braid, really saturating my hair before installing the braid in here. I'm not a professional, so the best way I know to install box braids is to braid it in as if I am doing a cornrow. The main purpose of this video is to show you how I am able to get the Bohemian Goddess look without adding the curly hair to the braid. It's not so much a braiding tutorial because I'm not even sure if I'm that great of a braider. To help with this look, some of the braids are braided all the way to the end and some are braided halfway. Basically, each braid ends different. I didn't want it to be a uniform look with the braids in the end because that's not going to really give you the bohemian, messy, each braid is different look that you're going to be looking for. Right now, I'll go through showing you again how I install the braids. I use the hair pomade to smooth down my hair in the braids, especially in the front where I have lots of breakage from heat damage. And these are the finished results. Again, to really make this look Bohemian Goddess, there should be no uniformity at the end of the braids. Completely none. You don't want all the braids to end the same way. You want to end some higher, some lower. You want to leave a lot of the hair unbraided to give that curly look and to have body when it's curled. So you're going to leave them unbraided. Trimming the braids is important to give that neat look, but as you guys can see here, I am very lazy with my trimming. Literally everything you see being trimmed right here is all the trimming that was done to the hair. So to get the Bohemian Goddess look, I braided random box braids together in big braids and also left out some of the braids. I saw this being done in a video by Natural Nisi, I believe, and thought I'd give it a try just to get that look that I wanted. Also guys, make sure the braids are braided tight so that the curls form when you do the hot water dip. I would advise getting help with dipping the hair into hot water because the hot water needs to go up high on the braids, not just the bottom of the braids, because if it only touches the bottom or the ends, the top sections of your hair isn't going to have the curly look. Right here, as you see the water being poured, you can see how high up the hot water is being applied to the hair. After hot water dipping, I left the hair to sit in the braids for about 5 to 10 minutes. Then I unbraided it and these were the results, which I love, by the way. Thank you guys for tagging along with me while I install these Bohemian Goddess braids. Hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.